The first step in activating the Developer tab after opening up Excel is to go up to the word File on the menu bar. Click on File. Next, go all the way down to the bottom and you'll see the word Options. Click on Options. This will bring up the Excel Options box. And in the center, you'll find Customize Ribbon. You'll need to click on Customize Ribbon. Once you click on Customize Ribbon, off to the right, you'll see Customize the Ribbon. And it has 3 options inside: All tabs, Main tabs, and Tool tabs. I choose Main tabs. Under the Main tabs, you'll see the word Developer, and I have mine checked, but yours will probably look just like this if you've never activated or done a macro before. So what you'll need to do in this empty checkbox is click on it. It'll activate the Developer. Click OK, and then Developer will show up on your tab up top. If this does not show up on your tab up top, it usually means that you clicked on it, but it did not activate in the box right beside the word Developer. Just go back through again, go to the Developer box, click on it, and then click OK, and you'll be good to go.